Hey guys, sorry but this is my second account in Mobizen. So I hope you like it and please give me subscribers this time. We are playing Bomber Friends. So, we just have to wait. Yeah, go for it. Actually, never mind that. So, I already have a room. I just have to go multiplayer, quick battle. Recording. That's it. So I just have to wait and waiting for opponents. Yay, that's me. That's us. Firepower. This is like my favorite game from now on. I really like the graphics. It's like so real. There's another bombing game but I don't like it. And he has a golden bomb. So just have to get these and go. Oh no. Whew. Just wait for him to make suicide. Oh no. Well, what if I die? Like, lol. Yeah, I don't want to be in peace. So, rematch. Now, this is me. I have a 10% sure plan. Like, legitimately, I don't know if it's 10%. Oh no. Whoops, someone committed suicide. Time for me to make someone else commit suicide. Yep! Hide under a rock. Rock. Hey. Okay, apparently a golden thing could like... Come on, yes, my advantage. Oh, come on. I have an idea. This is gonna be cool. Oh, look at that anime guy. Just need to complete the maze, and then I'm out of here. Yay, a shield. Mamans, boys, mamoys. Come on. Oh, golden bomb, sweet mother bomb. One thing to do, hide under this thing. Oh, thank goodness. Up, not you. Same corners. Yeah! Oh man, tie. Oh man, oh please! Lol, like that. Oh, I literally think I'd get 0 comments for this. And if I get 0 comments, like, thank you guys. Thank you for your appreciating of doing nothing. And I bombed this guy. You blasted Vinia. Nope. Get away from me, Ghost Vindiad. Okay, now I committed suicide. What I'm gonna do is curse the others. Zyra, man. Ugh. Oh, please. Come on, he's already won 3 times. If only I could get him. Operation Run. I got myself. Oh, come on!
Hey, my name is Keelan, and I'm here to show you how to take down an opponent battle. Here, my opponent has a much higher power than what I usually deal with, so I've combined some of my infantry troops with some of my devastatingly powerful tiger tanks. Assist.
So, well guys, that's all for today. I'm really sorry, but bye! So, bye.